Good day, students. Okay, we've just completed a video on percent increase. So now let's try to do some percent decrease questions. Okay, once again, I'm going to do this question two different ways. So I'll do it first by finding 45% of $163, and then I'll do it the shorter method. So we start this by saying we need 45% of 163. So we're trying to find the part. That's 0.45 times 163. I'll use my calculator to work that out. So 0.45 by 163, and that's 73.35 kilograms. 73.35 kilograms. Once again, I'm not finished. At this stage, I've worked out what the 45% is, but I now have to finish off by subtracting the 73.35 kilograms from the 163. So 163 subtract answer, and that leaves me with 89.65 kilograms, and probably a sensible answer. That's the approximately equal sign. Would be to round that off to the nearest whole kilogram. So because there's a 6 there, that's going to round up to 90. So that will round to the nearest kilogram to 90 kilograms. Okay, now let's do this, also do it the shorter way by thinking the original amount is 100%. I'm decreasing it by 45%. What's remaining is 55%, which is a decimal, is 0.55. So again, that's the sort of thing I would tend to do in my head. I wouldn't normally write that down. So using this method here, I'd think, well, I'm decreasing by 45%. What's remaining is 55% of 163. Okay, we're looking for the part, so we change that to a decimal by 163. Don't forget the equal sign, and we should get, again, rounded off, sorry, not rounded off, 89.65 kilograms, and we round that to the nearest whole kilogram. We get 90 kilograms. Okay, I'd like you to try a couple of questions. So go ahead and stop the video. Once you finish these two, come back and check your answers. Okay, guys, welcome back. Okay, I'll do this one the longer way, and I'll do this one the shorter way. So the first thing I have to find here is 40% of 2,200. So I'm looking for the part, so I change that to a decimal times 2,200, and 4 times 22 is 88, and therefore that's going to be 880. Again, that's not my final answer, because I've got to decrease 2,200 by that amount. So I subtract. I might use a calculator for this one to make sure I don't make any silly mistakes and have to redo the video. And I get 1,320 for my final answer. Okay, let's do the second question using the shorter method. So again, what we think is the original amount's 100%. I'm decreasing it by 95%, and that leaves me with just 5%. And as a decimal, that's 0.05. So what I need to find is 5% of 2,200 equals 0.05 times 2,200. Now I can actually solve this one mentally because I know how to find 10%. I just move my decimal point one place, giving me 220. So if 10% is 220, then 5% must be 110. Okay, so there's the video, short video on how to decrease by a given percentage.